Hello, my name is Naomi. I'm 8 years old and I'm so glad you are here today. Here on my channel, I show you how to make awesome things. Today we're going to make tie-dye cake. Like my shirt, but you can eat it. Let's get started. I'm starting with the white cake mix. I'm going to follow the instructions on my box. Cake batter is mixed. Let's put it into 6 bowls evenly. Now that your batter is in 6 different bowls, let's dye it the colors of the rainbow. The brighter the better. Go brighter, go home. Now it's time to put the cake batter in the pans. In order for the cake to look tie-dye, you have to put it in the pans a certain way. Don't forget to grease your pans. First, you're going to put a little more than half of the red in the middle of the pan. Now you're going to do about half of the orange right on top of the red, just like this. Don't stir them. Now do the same thing with all of the colors and do less and less each time. Now do the same thing with the second pan, but in reverse order. Here's how it should look. Don't you love the way they look? Now let's put them in the oven. While they're cooking, go find that like button and smash it. Our cakes are done. While they're cooling, let's make our frosting. Here's what you need. 2 sticks of butter, 4 cups of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. First, cream the butter. Now put the vanilla in and mix it well. Now add the powdered sugar in bit by bit so it doesn't poof. Milk in and mix it well. I put my first layer on a cake stand and I put wax paper on the edges so it doesn't get messy while I'm frosting it. We're going to put frosting on the first layer so the second layer sticks. Set it aside so we can color our frosting. We're going to color them yellow, green, red, and blue. Now it's time to frost. We're going to do one color at a time and we're going to start with red. We're going to try to put it just on 1/4 of the cake. And next to it, let's do the same thing with the yellow. Spread it a little bit. look like tie-dye. Now you're gonna mix it, but not too much, because if you mix it too much, it's gonna turn brown. Now we can take the papers off. There you have it, easy rainbow tie-dye cake. I can't wait to show you what it looks like in the inside. Wow. Make sure you like and subscribe to see more awesome videos just like this one. And it really helps my channel grow. Thanks for watching. Bye!